हे गाइस, वेलकम टू माय न्यू वीडियो और स्वागत है आपका वीआरजी एजुकेशनल में। तो दोस्तों, चैनल पे पहली बार आए हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देना। वीडियो पसंद आए तो वीडियो को लाइक कर देना और हो सके तो इस वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों में शेयर भी कर देना ताकि सभी लोग अपडेटेड रहे। वाई आर एग्जाम एट मुंबई यूनिवर्सिटी बीइंग हेल्ड आउटसाइड द टाइम फ्रेम गिवन बाय द स्टेट गवर्नमेंट। तो इसको डिटेल में पढ़ते हैं, सब कुछ आपको समझाते हैं। आफ्टर एन इंटेंस tussle with Mumbai University over the conduct of examination in the online mode, which was ultimately declined. The students of the varsity are now facing another obstacles for students pursuing various courses. Their exam will begin on May 17. This schedule violates the order given by the Maharashtra government, which stated that exam should be held between June 1st and July 15. Besides this, the notice of exam timetable was not provided 21 days prior to the commencement of the exam as per the guidelines of the University Grant Commission UGC. So what did the student make of this decision? A student protest led by the Maharashtra division of NSUI National Student Union of India was held at the Kalina campus of Mumbai University on Wednesday, May 12. EDX Live catch up with the student to understand their dilemma. What the reasoning when posed with a question as to why the university is going to against the state government order. The exam in charges at Mumbai University had no reply for us and he simply left the site of protest, says State Vice President NSUI Mumbai. He went on to add that the students are only hoping for a rational response from the university, just like how it was easier for them to accept offline exam when they were given a reasoning that industries are not keen on hearing graduates who have cleared online exam. How can the student be prepared for the exam if they are receiving the question bank just days before attempting the paper? Question. He went on to state that if the authority simply refuse to answer a valid question, then that just proves that something is away. At the university, there are several courses for which the students have not received the question bank till now. How can the people studying engineering and law prepare for offline exam with just PowerPoint presentation, even if they do provide it now? How can we study them all in time? Ask a final year automobile engineering student. State that one reason provided by the varsity is that postponing the exam would mean that those who wish to pursue their further study abroad would be affected in terms of schedule and application. Taking action this way would be unfair as only a select percentage of a student wish to go abroad, and even then their formality begin only much later. Eliminates the problem are exacerbated even further as issue of student hostel accommodation is still not resolved. Just not enough time for those who have been fortunate enough to get the question bank. The problem didn't end there either. We received the question bank only a couple of days ago, but it is a 328 pages long and content close to the 500 questions. So basically we have to prepare the entire syllabus within a such short period of time, says final year law student. She even states that the syllabus has been completed in hurry after offline classes resume, and this has led to concept not being made clear and various portion being completely omitted. The exam fever has even messed up the mental well-being of several students as both and reported acquaintances attempting to take their own lives if our reasonable questions are not met with the answer from the university. We will soon go hunger strike unless and until our demands are not met. Our fight will continue. When edicts live reach out to university spokesperson maintain that the tentative date of commencement of the exam was shared with the student back in the March itself. When asked why the university was going to against the state government order of conducting the exam from June 1st, he replied that postponed exam now would affect the application process of those who wish to pursue higher study in abroad. The exam in charges was unable to comment ऑन द इशू। तो गाइस इसमें यही बोला गया स्टूडेंट की तरफ से कि उनको जो क्वेश्चन बैंक है वो काफ़ी लेट मिल चुके हैं और इतने कम टाइम पीरियड में वो कैसे इतने सारे क्वेश्चन जो है वो उनकी पढ़ाई कर पाएंगे। और उसके साथ साथ ये भी लिखा है कि क्वेश्चन बैंक है वो काफ़ी सारे बड़े पेजेस के हैं, 320 पेज समथिंग कुछ है, तो उसके उतने सारे जो क्वेश्चन बैंक की जो तैयारी है स्टूडेंट इतने कम टाइम पीरियड में कैसे कर पाएंगे, ऐसे स्टूडेंट के कुछ सवाल है। साथ में स्टूडेंट ने कहा है कि अभी तक टाइम टेबल जो है वो नहीं आया है और जो टाइम टेबल आया है वो जून में एग्ज़ाम है ऐसे बोल रहे हैं। और जो यूनिवर्सिटी जो है वो गवर्नमेंट के ऑर्डर को क्यों नहीं मान रही है, ऐसे सब कुछ स्टूडेंट के जो है वो सवाल है। उसके साथ साथ स्टूडेंट बोल रहे हैं कि इतना बड़ा अगर क्वेश्चन बैंक दिया है और उसमें से हमने जो किया है वो क्वेश्चन अगर नहीं आए तो हम फिर से स्ट्राइक करेंगे, फिर से जो प्रोटेस्ट है वो करेंगे, क्योंकि स्टूडेंट को काफ़ी तकलीफ हो रही है क्योंकि क्वेश्चन बैंक जो है काफ़ी लेट प्रोवाइड किए गए हैं और अभी इतने कम दिनों में स्टूडेंट की पढ़ाई होना काफ़ी मुश्किल है। ऐसे ये सब कुछ स्टूडेंट ने इस आर्टिकल में कहा है। तो इस आर्टिकल में इतना ही, आपको सब कुछ समझ गया होगा ऐसे मैं आशा करता हूँ। फिर भी कुछ ना समझा हो तो कमेंट करके आप पूछ सकते हो। उसके साथ साथ इस वीडियो को शेयर भी कर दो और वीडियो पे नए हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दो। वीडियो पसंद आया तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दो और इस वीडियो को हो सके उतना शेयर कर दो। थैंक यू दोस्तों।